And if you don't like plastic waste but still use plastic, then here's how to recycle it effectively. Step 1. Identify and sort your plastics. Check the recycling code on your items. Codes #1 and #2 are usually recyclable everywhere, while others might need specialized facilities. Step 2. Clean and prepare. Rinse those plastic items and remove labels or caps. This prevents contamination. Step 3. Use local recycling programs. Find community drop-off points or curbside recycling. Many stores even have bins for plastic bags and wraps. Step 4. Explore hard-to-recycle options. Programs like TerraCycle accept tricky plastics, or you can make eco-bricks for DIY projects. Step 5. Reduce and reuse. Use reusable items and buy in bulk to cut down on packaging waste. And finally, upcycle and advocate. Repurpose plastics creatively at home and support sustainable practices to encourage broader eco-friendly change. By recycling and reusing plastics wisely, we can make a meaningful environmental impact. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips.